turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, our coals are started, and we're going to now prepare our food. So the fire's going real well, and I'm going to take the cedar plank and put our onions down on the cedar plank, and a couple lemons. I've seasoned the salmon steaks already with the butt rub seasoning, and then we'll put more onions and lemons over it. The cedar plank has been soaked in the sink, so it's well saturated before we ever set it on the grill. Now we'll close the big green egg and let it cook.